Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe below, and if you like this video, I'd be grateful if you give it a thumbs up. Where possible, all products used will be linked in the description below. Now today I'm going to be doing a really easy gel polish marble. It's kind of looks multi-dimensional, so it's quite pretty. And yes, I know I need to infill my own nails. Look, disgusting. Right, so I've literally just got a nail tip here. I like to use these ones by Be Art Box. I had to get them from Amazon, so if I can find the link, I will pop them in, but they're quite nice. And they're quite big as well, so they're quite good for doing nail art. So, the first one that I'm going to use is a jelly background, so like an orangey, yellowy colour. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to use first on this tip. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Sorry for all the squeaks and creaks. In my nail room, we've got a tree with some branches that keep scratching. Right, let's just pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And so I'm going to pop some gel colours on here that we're going to be using. So I've got this lovely one from Lavender Violets. So that's my first one. Make sure we get plenty on. I think this one's running out actually. I've probably used it too much. And then I have this one from Rosalind, CO6. And this is a beautiful brown metallic-y kind of colour. It goes well for this particular design. And then I'm going to use this one by, I think it's Miley. Yeah, Fields of Gold. So this is like a nice champagne gold, I suppose. Yeah, it's not a yellow gold, it's a champagne gold, which is quite nice. Come on, I need a bit more out than that. There we go. Right, so let's get this back out. Give it a swipe with some isopropyl alcohol. And then with these colours here, I'm literally going to, you can see that, pick up a dotting tool and just drag it through, but not mixing too much, just like a swoosh. You don't want too much, otherwise it's gonna look a bit of a mush. That's not really what you want. And then I'm just going to use my ombre brush, if you can see that, and to pick this up. I mean, you can use any kind of flat brush really, should work. So we're just going to go in at an angle and just pick up this marble, so you can see that it's all marbled on the brush, and we're just going to place it down lightly on the nail. As you can see, it creates a gorgeous marble. Let's just move that out of the way so you can see. And we're just going to carry on doing that, just picking up. See, look at this one. And then we're going to place that on the nail very gently. And it should. You can sometimes turn the brush over as well if it's not transferring properly. And we're just going to carry on filling in the rest of the nail with this. And then up here. And then I've got a little bit left just for that corner, which looks a bit of a smush now. I'm just going to turn the brush over to get some of that. Okay, so I don't think, looking at that colour there, I could probably do with some more of that. So I'm just going to pop some more of that on my palette. And then I'm going to get, I haven't cured the gel yet on the nail. So I'm going to get a little detailer brush and just pick some up. And then I'm going to just place this on the nail where I think it might look cute. Just pull it through. You can pick up some more if you want and pop it where you think it needs it. So I think that's quite good. It's quite a nice. So I'm just going to carry on using this little tiny brush here and picking up some of this other colour off the palette, just filling in these edges on the nail here. It doesn't have to be perfect. That's the beauty with marble. Like, you can just go in and, you know, just whatever you think looks right. I mean, it looks kind of cool, right? It's marble. It's just marble. Let's pop some more of this gold here. See? See that? So I'm going to pop that in the lamp. Actually, no, I'm not, because I actually like a little bit of black in mine. So I have this black from Lavender Violet, so I'm just going to run some of this through it, I think. Let's pop some of this in. Not much. I'm not going to put much in. I just want a little bit. And you can just run it through wherever you want, really. It doesn't have to be on the whole of the nail. And again, you don't want too much because you don't want to overpower the nail with black, because that's not what it's about, really, is it? You know? But you can mix it in a bit more with some of the other colours if you're not happy, and keep working with it really until you're happy to pop it in the lamp and cure it. Like that. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. And next what I'm going to do is I have got some nail foil here. Just move this palette out of the way. I have a gold nail foil and I'm going to use some of this just randomly. I'm just going to dot it on randomly. And you'll see that I've already used some of this, but when this comes out of the lamp, I'm going to pop some of this nail foil on. Now, this nail foil gel I get from SBD London. Now, they haven't sponsored this video at all, but this is by far my favourite foil gel, and I've done quite a few, used quite a few of them. But this one works for me, especially if you want to do full coverage with foils, which I love foils personally, and I'm going to be doing one of those videos soon so that you guys can see how to get full coverage foil. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled for that one. So I just need to give this a little swipe. See, look how it's come out. It's quite cool, yeah? So with the foil gel, I don't want much. So let's just, because I just want to sort of like run it through in a marble effect. So I'm just going to pick up some of the foil. I know you can't really see it very well because it's clear, but if you just pop some lines of foil gel where you want it, just running through the marble. And it doesn't have to be perfect. We're just popping bits on. And then that needs to go in the lamp for 60 seconds. So normally I cut a little piece off of the foil that I want to use, but I'm I can't find my scissors, so I'm just going to literally just pick it up like this, use my nail, and just kind of like tap, 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 if that makes sense. You'll see in a second. When it comes out of the lamp. So, yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Hurry up. Let's just get this ready because it's going to be coming out in a minute. There we go. Right. So, just going to tap, 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 tap. It's just picking up some of the gold. Can you see? On the areas where I put the foil gel. And just keep going until you're happy. Let's see if there's any more. Let's get another piece. I think I only put a little bit of gel on. So yeah, you can see quite nice, multi-dimensional foil. Multi-dimensional marble, should I say. And then, yeah, so we're just going to top coat that now. And the top coat I like to use is usually quite thick. I like a thick top coat. And this one is by Prey. I don't think I've got much left of this, actually. So I'm not sure you're going to be able to see it, but it is quite a thick viscosity. So we're just gonna I mean, you can still see some of the yellow through, or the orange jelly colour through, but that's what we want because we're making it look like multi-dimensional. You know, like some kind of precious stone marble, I suppose, if you like. So yeah, make sure we've got all that design capped in. I do like to put a generous layer of top coat on because it just makes it, evens the nail out. So, and I'm going to turn this upside down now. If this was a customer, you could definitely turn the nail upside down and just let gravity do its thing, and it just stops all any lumps and bumps underneath. And then once you've done that for a few seconds, you can pop it in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. So as you can see, it was very, very simple. You know, with gel polish, anybody can do this. Like, you could do this at home if you've got the colours. So I'll pop the each of the little links of where you can get these different colours from that I've used today, and then hopefully you'll be able to recreate the same thing. So yeah, there we have it. Our finished marble nail. So guys, if there are any techniques that you would like to see in future videos, please comment down below and I will do my best to cover them for you. And thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.